Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get support theme on Instagram. The first thing you will need to do is open the Instagram app. Once in Instagram, you are going to tap on the message icon in the top right hand corner. Then you will select the message that you would like to change the background theme for, and you're going to tap on the contact's name. Then tap on theme, and the first option you'll see is support. You're going to tap on that, and that's it. Now if I should go back, you can see that the theme has been changed to the support theme, and that's it. If when you go into themes you do not see support theme as an option, I would recommend that you update your Instagram app. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.